So aluminum oxide forms by the reaction of 13.4 grams of aluminum and 53.18 grams of chlorine. And we want to find out what is the percent composition of chlorine in this compound. So as we know, the percent composition, so the percent of chlorine in the compound is just going to be the mass of chlorine over the mass total, and then times 100. So we need to figure out both of these things. The mass of chlorine is already given to us. We just need to come up with the mass total. So the mass of chlorine, let's fill that in, is this 53.18 grams. And the mass total is going to be found by adding these two things together. So once again, from conservation of mass, we know that we're not going to end up with more or less mass than we started with. So this is our total mass. And here, I'll reduce this further. So we're looking at 53.18 grams of chlorine, and then the mass of the compound, if you were to add these two together, ends up being 66.61 grams. And I'll just say grams of compound. Yeah, so once again, the compound's made of the aluminum and the chlorine, or the oxide. Or wait, sorry. No, this should be chloride. Sorry about that. In any case, so the compound's made up of this aluminum and this chlorine. It doesn't really matter what the molecular formula is in this case, because we know the masses, so we don't have to worry about it. So if we divide these two things by each other and multiply by 100, what we're left with is 79.8% of the compound is chlorine.